Look, if you're working a full-time job and you're looking for a way to make some extra money from home, then I want you to watch this video because I work a full-time job. I'm a full-time pastor. I am a husband and a grandfather. So I don't have a lot of time to work my business online. But the time that I do have when I get off work, I make that time valuable and I put in an effort in order to make this work. Now, one of the things that I hate is when someone sends me an email talking about my job as if they know what I'm going through. I like my job. As a matter of fact, I took money that was from my job in order to invest in my business. Now that my business is making money, I can turn around and reinvest the money from my business back into my business to make more money. So use the job that you have in order to start your business. And it doesn't take a whole lot of money to start an online side hustle, okay? It doesn't take a lot of money for you to invest in order to get started. You just have to make up your mind that that's what you want to do. I used to work 2 jobs. Let me tell you, it's much easier for me to get off from working my 8-hour a day job, coming home, doing what I have to do for 30 minutes to an hour, maybe 2 hours top, in order to make this work for me. And there are some days when I come home, I don't do anything because I have the system set up that does everything for me. And when you join affiliate programs like the one that I'm going to share with you in this video, then you don't have to do a whole lot of work when you get off from your job. But don't let anybody tell you that Mondays are bad. There's nothing wrong with Mondays. Get up and go to work with a smile on your face. Come back home, do what you have to do, get your mindset right, go in your office, wherever it is, and do what you have to do. And I'm going to share with you what I do. The 3 steps that I took, that I do right now, even today, when I get off my job and I come home. So let me go ahead on and share that with you right now. And I hope what I'm sharing with you can give you some ideas on what you can do working around your job, whether you're working day shift, second shift, or even third shift. This can be done once you get everything set up and going in the right direction. It's going to take some time. It's simple to do. It's not going to be easy. It's going to take you some time to get from where you are to where you want to be. But if you follow the process, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it as well. So with that being said, let's go ahead on and get into that right now. Here we go. This is how I'm making money online with a full-time job in 3 simple steps. Step 1, I joined an affiliate program that pays recurring commissions. They do all of the follow-up for me, which takes a lot of work, off of me. So when I come home, I don't have to worry about doing a whole bunch of emailing and things like that. The affiliate program must be established. And what I mean by that, it must be a program that's been around at least for, 4 or 5 years or more. I don't too much join these new programs that come out now, and there are a lot of them that popping up every day, every week, every month. There's always something new. I used to have that shiny object syndrome. I don't have that anymore. As a matter of fact, I'm only down to about 3 or 4 programs that I'm doing, but these programs have been around for years. They are well established. Other programs come and go, and then you have to start over with a new program. But I don't necessarily build my business around the program that I'm involved in, because people don't join the business, people join other people. So I'm building building myself in order for people that know, like, and trust me, that if one of the programs that I'm doing does quit for whatever reason or drop off the net for whatever reason, people know, like, and trust me will join me because I'm recommending something else that's not only working for me, that's going to work and benefit them as well. So the affiliate program must be established. They must have one-time, recurring, low-ticket, high-ticket product, and have a 2-tier commission structure. In other words, I want to join a program that's going to have all of these in one system, which means I can earn income within this one system. 7 streams of income, 4 streams of income, recurring, high ticket, low ticket. I want all of that inside of here so it can work. For me, I'm only promoting one affiliate link, but it has several income streams within that system. And that's what you want as well. When you get off your job and you come home, You want a system that's working in the background, that when you bring people in, customers in, they are doing all of the selling and telling for you, the upsells, the downsells, and all of that. You don't have to do all of that. Your only sole job is to get the person into the door and let the affiliate program or whoever running that program, let them do everything else for you. Those are the types of programs that I like to join. Now for step 2, what I do is I create YouTube videos. You can see my channel now. I create YouTube videos. I'm going to start doing YouTube shorts as well. I'm getting into Instagram. I did some setup on that, getting things set up on Instagram, so I'm going to start doing vertical videos on there as well. But right now I create YouTube videos long form. I add my affiliate links to my Facebook profile. I post content on my Facebook profile that attracts my ideal customer, and I purchase paid traffic as well. And when it comes to paid traffic, that's mainly solo ads. I have certain vendors that I like to use when it comes to that. And this all can be done when you get off work. Now my YouTube videos, I only do maybe 1 or 2 video a week. I don't try to overdo when it comes to doing YouTube videos. One video, if I can do it on a Monday or Sunday or whatever, then I post that video on YouTube and it's just there for the rest of the week, okay? And so that's what I do. Those are the steps that I take. And I send all of the traffic from those traffic sources to my opt-in page that's provided by the affiliate program. That way the affiliate program follow up for me. And the less I have to do, the better. Now there's one affiliate program that I'm with that pays on 3 of the products in there are recurring commission, 80% commission with 1 high ticket. Now with that particular program, I do have to go in and create and build my funnel, set up an autoresponder and all of that, which I know how to do. But someone who's new like you, who's working a full-time job, you may not have time to do all of that, especially when you're trying to, earn your first commissions online. But it's a great affiliate program nonetheless, it's a great affiliate program. But the affiliate program that I'm going to share with you in this video will do everything for you. The only thing you have to do is take your opt-in page link, create content. You have to decide how you want to do it. This is how I do it. I do it by YouTube video. I do it on my Facebook profile. I post content on my Facebook profile that attracts my ideal customer. I send friend requests on my Facebook profile. I follow people on my Facebook profile because that brings them back to me on Facebook. And I purchase solo ads as well, just like I said. Only thing I have to do, I can write out an email, give it to that solo ad provider, let them send it out, or I can just give them a link and let them do what they do because they know their list. That way I have traffic coming in at all times. The thing about doing YouTube videos, once they're up, they are working for me, so I don't have to do anything else for that. Maybe if somebody comments, ask a question, I reach back out to them on my Facebook profile. If someone asks a question, I DM them. Okay, the information that they ask for, start a conversation with them. Okay, with purchase traffic, it's just straight sending traffic to my opt-in page where I'm building my email list. Okay, and I have the choice to email them if I want to, or as I said, the system is doing the follow-up for me, especially the one that I'm sharing with you today. But I do email my list as well, and once you build that email list, you can send them other offers. So this is the second step that I do in the process. And the third step is I rinse and repeat step 2, which means I do the YouTube videos once a week, twice a week, or however I feel like doing them, when I feel like doing them anyway. I'm creating content around the affiliate program that I'm a part of and videos like I'm doing right here. And then my links are already on my Facebook profile. But what I do, I go to Facebook, take some time out, go to Facebook, comment on some people posts, for about 5-10 minutes, and then I make a post on Facebook, and then Facebook shares that, with others and things. So people can come back and see my post if they want the information. I'll send them the information, okay? And things like that. And then I purchase traffic. That's it. You can set aside a budget when it comes to solo ad. You can set aside a budget, okay, that you're willing to invest weekly or monthly. It's going to get people coming onto your email list. You have the option to do that. I don't know your budget, but you can do that as well. That's what I do. And as I said before, I'm getting a little bit into Instagram and the content that I create for Instagram, okay, especially a reel, I can share that on Facebook. I can share that on TikTok. I can share that on Pinterest if I wanted to. So you have to figure out what's going to work best for you in order to get you, up and going in the right direction that you want to go. But you have to start somewhere. If you're working 16-hour days, then it's going to be kind of difficult because you need some rest. But the solution for that would be you don't have time to create YouTube videos and you don't have time to do a lot of Facebook, then maybe you can just set aside a budget, okay, to start doing solo ad, because you will not have to create opt-in pages. You will not have to set up autoresponders. You will not have to do any of the follow-up. You just need to get started and start sending traffic to the link that the affiliate provider gives you to give to your solo ad provider. You can get started that way, but you have to make an investment. Look at what you got going out right now and say, okay, I can invest this amount of money weekly. If it's $50 a week, let it be $50 a week. You're looking at $200 a month with that. Can you afford to do that? If it's $50 every 2 weeks, your budget, make it work. I just simply rinse and repeat. Step 2, when I get home from work, and that is what I do, okay? So, and I'm always learning something. Remember this, if you learn something new, apply it to your business, and then turn around and teach it. There are a lot of strategies to making money online. I want to keep it as simple as possible. That's just the way I want to do things. And that works for me because, as I said, I work a full-time job. I'm a pastor. I'm a husband. And I have to spend time with my wife, happy life. I have to study so I'm able to, preach on Sunday morning, teach on Wednesday nights, and just study in general and things, plus working a full-time job. So if I can do it, you can do it as well. So if you want to make some extra money online with a full-time job, I invite you to click the link in the description to join my #1 recommended program that pays one-time commissions, recurring commission. It pays commissions on low-ticket products, high-ticket products, and it has a 2-tier commission structure that pays you commission when your customer makes sales. It does all of the follow-up for you so you can do the things you most love, like spending time with your family when you get off from work after you do what you have to do in your business. So if that sounds like something you want to do, click the link in the description now to get started. Make sure you like this video. Give me a thumbs up on the video. Leave me a comment if you have any comment, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. I'm looking forward to working with you. Click the link in the description now to get started. Peace.